Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can take live photo in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. First of all, go to the camera and here go to more button. Go to more button and here select live photo and now start taking pictures or photos. You should have some movement in your picture that will be captured in your photo itself. Okay, see here. Yes, it's taken and see the result. Live photo is printed, text live photo is printed. So to see the live photo, you have to press and hold the photo. Okay, press and hold this photo to view it live. See here. Once again I take for another photo. Okay, I turn off the timer and now I take this one. And see the result. This is a live photo, and to see it you have to long press or press and hold on the photo. Okay, live photo is printed. When you are opening the photo, it will show the tag live photo. Okay, so in this way you can easily take live photo in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.